We interrupt your Commodore 64 because of a Badabun error. Do not turn off your Commodore 64. Because if you turn off your Commodore 64, Badabun will get mad at you. Now I'm off. Have fun with the Badabun error.
What? I got a Badabun error on my Commodore 64? That's it. I'm going to turn off my Commodore 64.
Kid, I saw you turn off your Commodore 64. Don't do it again. A chance reduction has occurred and it's now 9 chances.
Yes, Commodore hates you.
Kid, this one you make me transform. I am now an evil man for the rest of the era. This is all your own fault.
You're a stupid logo.
What for goddamn sakes did you just say about me?
I said you're a stupid logo!
How dare you turn off your computer again? You are such a complete idiot! Okay, it looks like I have enough of you turning off your computer. If you do it one more time, then I will jump scare you. I jump scared you ugly baby. That's what you deserve for not listening. This is your last chance to listen. If you turn off your computer again, you'll see what happens. Alright, I decided to give you an extra chance, but you have to enter the code.
This is always the right code. What are these assholes thinking about?
Sorry, shitty bitch. That is not the correct code. Use the correct code.
Really, Badabun? I cannot see it with those blurs.
You do not listen to me about turning off your Commodore 64. That's it. You were grinding for 2,763 years, 63 years, 2,063 years, 63 years, 2,000 years. Now, time to crash your Commodore 64.
Badabun is a dickhole. I want to kill him.